and operated by two massive anime fans and collectors who love the search. If they don't stock what you want, they will search for your heart's desire. Professional and approachable, their focus is on anime gifts, model kits, Gunpla, robot, action figure candy toys, and more. Whether you're a longtime collector or just starting on your collecting journey, you'll find great items and kindred spirits at Toka Exchange. Operating are Monday 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., Tuesday to Thursday 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., Friday to Saturday 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m., Sunday 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Location: Toka Exchange, 231 Burke St. Melbourne 3000. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.